Have you ever wondered what your life would be like if each day had a clear purpose? What would happen if, in just 1 month, you could profoundly transform who you are and how you live? Stoicism offers exactly that, a practical and proven way to live with clarity, purpose, and emotional strength. Today, I challenge you to commit to your personal change and discover how, step by step, in just 30 days, you can start living the life you truly desire. Do you accept the challenge? Week 1. Journaling and Daily Reflection. Marco Aurelius wrote in his personal diary every day, practicing introspection. In the first week, commit to writing each morning what you want to achieve that day, and each night reflect on how you acted. Be honest with yourself. Journaling will help you get to know yourself deeply and make more conscious decisions. Week 2. Embrace voluntary discomfort. Seneca suggested practicing small discomforts to prepare for great difficulties. This week, incorporate practices such as taking cold showers or waking up an hour earlier. This will teach you to master your inner resistance, and you'll discover an inner strength you didn't know you had. Week 3. Cultivate gratitude and perspective. Gratitude is a powerful habit in Stoicism. Epictetus said, "Don't seek that events happen as you wish, but wish that they happen as they do." Dedicate each day this week to writing down 3 things you are grateful for. You'll see how your perception of the world radically transforms. Week 4. Stoic meditation and mindfulness. The last week will be for cultivating your inner peace. Stoic meditation involves observing your thoughts without judgment and serenely accepting what you cannot control. Dedicate at least 10 minutes daily to this practice, and you will notice how your inner calm positively influences every aspect of your life. Your change in 30 days. Assess your progress. At the end of these 30 days, it is crucial to honestly assess your progress. How do you feel now compared to the first day? Have you achieved more clarity, strength, and serenity? This self-assessment will motivate you to keep growing and will strengthen your personal commitment. Acronym Stoic Habits for a Lifetime. Remember, true change happens with consistency. The habits you develop this month can stay with you for a lifetime. Intentionally incorporate them into your daily routine, and you'll see how your life becomes a constant source of learning, strength, and deep satisfaction. Transforming your life is a powerful decision, but true strength lies in each small daily step. As Seneca said, "While you live, keep learning to live." Don't wait for circumstances to change. Be the one who consciously changes. If you wish to continue deepening your Stoic journey, review the resources I leave below in the video. Your life deserves to be lived with purpose and fulfillment. Thank you for joining me in this powerful challenge of personal transformation. See you soon. Subscribe for more practical guides and Stoic inspiration. Would you like to listen to these reflections while commuting, exercising, or relaxing? Find the Live with Wisdom podcast on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and more. And discover resources, ebooks, and exclusive products in our official stores. Links in the description. Thank you for your support. And live with wisdom.